sky and candy clouds.
So in today's video, I am here to share with you guys this Amrezy palette. I will be doing a demo slash tutorial on my eyes for you guys to, you know, kind of show you guys how I work with this palette. And I hope you guys enjoy the color combos that I chose to use. I tried to make it different from what everybody else is doing because I didn't want to reciprocate, although it was very, very beautiful. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
I'm ready to take the leap.
divas, so now that you guys have gotten my demo slash tutorial on this palette, I wanted to quickly tell you guys like how I feel about it and do I think it's worth the buy. So I hope that you guys like the look that I created. You guys know usually I do something that is very plain, so today I wanted to give you guys some cotton candy realness on the eyes, and I feel like I gave that to you guys, and I hope that you guys really like it. I know I was jumping all over the place with my lip, so let me tell you guys, just in case I forget to put it in the description box, like exactly what I use on my lip. I'm looking for the other lip liner. Here it is. So yeah, so sometimes I will forget to put it, or if I'm like showing you guys what I'm using in the video, I feel like it's really no point of me to put in the description box. But yeah, anyways, the first lip liner that I use is by MAC, and it is called Burgundy. I felt like that wasn't like dark enough. I felt like it was too light, but I felt like it would be like a good color to mix with MAC's Night Mauve, so I went in with Night Mauve, and then I went in with Anastasia's liquid lipstick in Sand, and then I went in with Anastasia's lips gloss in Dainty. So that is my lip combo, because I know it's kind of jumping all over the place. I feel like my lip combo comes out better like the more like products, more different products that I use. But yeah, so these are the products that I use. I feel like this lip looks really good with this eye. So you guys, please excuse my nails. I have to do my natural hair, and it's very hard for me to do my natural hair with nails, so yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this palette. So this palette is very beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging. It's like a really beautiful pink glitter packaging, which I know you guys already seen because I'm very late with this review, although I bought it like right when it came out. But anyways, like it's just very gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and talk about the color story, and let me show you guys the color story. So it's very beautiful. The one thing that I really like about this palette is that you can actually take this palette with you and be safe and good to go, mainly because it has like a lot of neutral colors, and also like it has like the bronzy color. I cannot wait to get into these bronzy colors and mix them with these warm and yeah, these warm colors, and then these browns. I feel like she has the perfect combination of browns. Like I feel like all these browns are just like key in a palette, and she put all of them in there. So yeah, this color story is just very beautiful, and I really do like it. And if you guys didn't notice, there's 2 more eyeshadows on this palette, so this palette is slightly bigger, which I was really excited about. And then these are all new colors as well, so these are not repeated colors or anything. They definitely may be similar to other colors, but these are all new colors. I don't think that they're similar. The only one I would say is similar is probably this brown one. We all know like the browns by Anastasia, that may be, but I don't know. I really am feeling this brown. Like I feel like it is kind of different, but maybe it can be duped for another Anastasia palette. Anyways, overall I really do like this palette. I feel like the color story is really nice, like I said before, and I love the pops of color. I love the neutral colors. I just love everything about this palette, so I would definitely recommend it. If you don't absolutely need it, then definitely don't get it if you have things that are similar, because I know a lot of palettes are always coming out and everything, but I would definitely say you need it. I'm a huge fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills, so yeah, I always feel like I need their palettes, so yeah, that's why I went ahead and picked it up. But you know, to each its own. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow demo slash tutorial and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you're gonna get this palette, or if you're thinking about it. Talk to me, or if you already have it, definitely let me know like what you think about it. And if you want to see different color combos, then definitely go ahead and leave that in the description box, or the comment section below, excuse me. And also be sure to thumbs up the video if you liked it, or if you want to see more videos using this palette. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.